In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add public holidays into Wrike efficiently to ensure your team stays aligned with the holiday schedule. Keeping your project timelines up to date with accurate holiday hours is crucial for successful planning, and with Wrike, it's quite straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your Wrike workspace. It's where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once in your workspace, look towards the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. It's usually your initials or a profile picture, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you're going to select Settings. Now, if you take a closer look, within the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Account Management. This is where you manage all your tasks, preferences, and more importantly, your schedules. When you've navigated to account management, search for the option that says Work Schedules. Here is where things start to get interesting. In the Work Schedules section, you have the power to tailor the working days and non-working days for your entire team, including those important public holidays. Now, with your work schedules open, what you'll want to do next is choose the date of the public holiday you want to add. You can scroll through the calendar and select a date that aligns with your region's official public holidays. Precisely adding these dates helps avoid any scheduling conflicts or surprises for your team. Once you've selected the date, the next step is to head over to the Public Holidays option in the settings. This is where you'll be confirming the day as a holiday in your Wrike workspace. It's important to make sure everything is accurate, as this is what your project timeline will adjust to. And finally, after you've gone through and confirmed your public holiday selections, don't forget the crucial last step. Click on Save Changes. It's a small but mighty button that ensures all your hard work updating holiday schedules isn't lost. Once you've done this, your new holiday schedule is set and will automatically sync with all relevant projects and timelines. And there you have it, a clear and concise method to add public holidays into Wrike. Keep in mind, maintaining updated public holidays in your schedules not only enhances project planning, but also boosts team transparency and collaboration. With Wrike's flexible scheduling tools, you're well equipped to manage and adapt to any change that comes your way. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling!